perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and
fishing, Bellhop, Kitchenette, spa, dry cleaning,
that don't exist in objective reality.
nightly Turndown service, fitness center, view, concierge, shuttle service, satellite internet access, satellite TV,
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic.
indoor swimming pool, vending machines, Coffeemaker, microwave, hair dryer, on-site restaurant, room service, free coffee, air conditioning, swimming pool, cable TV, complimentary bottled water, refrigerator,
His senses and time perception are
luxury
distorted. He becomes
bedding,
confused, and he displays irresponsibility and
free early check-in, towels, television set, complimentary breakfast, complimentary toiletries,
perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
housekeeping, good showers, free parking, free wireless internet.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.